While the US-made HIMARS systems and M777 howitzers are taking all the hype in Ukraine, the Ukrainian drones are busy as usual. Now Ukrainian counterintelligence blew up a Russian T-72 tank and took out 15 soldiers using a drone. The images, which have been filmed by the drone, show bombs being dropped from above on top of what seems to be a Russian tank. The video was obtained from the Security Service of Ukraine, along with a statement saying, military counterintelligence officers of the SBU destroyed a Russian T-72 and 15 invaders with an attack drone. The SBU is the main Ukrainian intelligence and security agency that conducts counterintelligence and anti-terrorism activities. It operates under the direct authority of the President of Ukraine. It is currently unclear where exactly in Ukraine the images were shot, but they were also relayed by the Chernihiv Regional Territorial Center for Recruitment and Social Support. Ukrainian officials have vowed to recapture the southern region of Kherson by September. Ukraine's President Volodymyr Zelensky has said that his forces are advancing step by step into the Russian-occupied region. There has reportedly been heavy fighting over the weekend near the city of Kherson. Ukraine has warned that a deal to export grain via ports located on the Black Sea will be put on hold if Russia attacks key ports where airstrikes again. The move comes after a missile attack on Odessa on Saturday. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.